Hi, Joe Cambrato, CEO and founder of National Business Capital. In this video, I'm going to explain the different term loan products that are available and that you should know of as a woman-owned business and entrepreneur. I founded National Business Capital in 2007, literally out of my spare bedroom. I've grown it to an amazing company today, about 100 employees, and we've helped fund over $2 billion for entrepreneurs and small to medium-sized companies all across the US. And a lot of those businesses were owned by women. So much respect to you as a woman-owned business and entrepreneur, and appreciate you wanting to learn the different funding products out there, because I'm assuming that you're trying to grow and get your business to that next level. And that's exactly what I want to help you with and what we're here for. There's three term loan products that you really should understand. One is an SBA 7A term loan product. It's a 10-year term loan. The second is a business term loan, which are typically 12, 24, and 36-month terms. And then the third is equipment financing. If your business has equipment, and you could finance everything from office equipment to restaurant equipment, tables and chairs, to construction equipment, to IT equipment, any really type of piece of equipment can actually be financed in your business. And typically, with using the right equipment lender, you can finance that over 2, 3, 4, and 5-year repayment terms with monthly payments and low rates. A lot of the loans that I mentioned, including our SBA loans that we offer, are through non-bank lenders. The whole reason why I founded National Business Capital was to make accessing capital fast, easy, and simple, and also to match entrepreneurs just like yourself to the right lender in order to get the best terms, the most amount of money. When going to a bank, banks look at personal and business credit. That needs to be perfect. They want a lot of profit. And if you're growing your business and reinvesting profit, that can be a challenge. And then they want collateral. And banks will look at three different pieces of collateral, which most people don't know. One is the obvious, that's real estate. The second is inventory and even like machinery and heavy machinery. And then the other is B2B, receivables. So if you're selling to Walmart and Target, you're invoicing them, you're waiting 30, 60, 90 days to get paid, you can leverage those invoices to use to get approved. A lot of times with most businesses, if you're selling direct to consumer, you don't have the B2B receivables, you don't have a ton of profit, maybe you challenge your credit in growing your business. But even if your credit's excellent and you don't have the profit, or you do have the profit but you don't have the collateral, if you don't have all of those things, banks are challenging. That's when you want to start to look at non-bank lenders. What's great today is that there are a lot of non-bank lenders that don't focus on all of those different things. They really focus more on your cash flow, your opportunity, where you've been recently with your business, but more importantly, what you're looking to use money for and what you're going. And some of those lenders have a real big passion for women-owned businesses. The other great thing is we have the application process down to a science. We have a really great team here that can answer your questions that aren't salesy. And through a very simple conversation, we can tell you exactly what options may or may not be available for you and your business, roughly how much you most likely will get approved for, and what those terms would look like. We can have that happen all through a simple phone call. From there, if it makes sense, we have a simple online application. You can securely upload all of your documentation to us, and we can have you funded in days and sometimes weeks, depending on the loan size, but not months like a lot of the other business lenders that are out there today. And by all the volume that we do, we fund a few hundred transactions per month. And with all the different lender knowledge that we have, we match you to the right lender, so that typically gets you approved for more money and better terms. The benefits of a business term loan are typically their longer repayment terms. So depending on what you're looking to borrow money for, you would really want a longer term if you're looking to maybe buy a business or something that you need to pay money back over a longer period of time. And those are typically things that will be really good for your business long term, but you won't see an immediate increase in your capital, and you won't have an immediate ROI. So maybe it's redoing the whole inside of your business, Maybe it's redoing your building or your parking lot. Maybe it's buying some new trucks or different equipment that's going to take you some time to put to work and fill up jobs with. So you need those 2, 3, and 5-year options, or even 10-year repayment options. So you have to think about what it is that you're looking to use the money for in your business. If there are things that you can have short returns on, where you can borrow money, buy inventory, or borrow money and do something and get a fast return on the capital that you borrowed, that's when you would want to use a shorter term loan option, or maybe even consider looking into a line of credit option. Hope you found this video helpful. Remember, we have an awesome team here. We're happy to answer any of your questions. Again, we're not salesy. Just give us a call, ask any questions that you'd like, and we'll help explain. Or if you're ready to apply, click that apply button. You can get started. My team will get connected with you right away, and we can start the process and have some options back to you in a matter of hours or days. Thanks for tuning in this video. I appreciate, have much respect for everything that you're doing to grow your business. Keep doing what you're doing and keep growing.